when you are tempted to give up on your dreams, say to yourself, no, God has started in me something. That business venture, you will succeed in launching it. That aspiration to become a professional engineer, doctor, whatever it is that you want to achieve, God has started that in you. He will complete it. That desire in you to bless the work of God generously, faithfully, God had started that and He will complete that. He who began a good work. There is something in you that God started. Mayroong pinasimulan ng Diyos sa atin. Hindi nagpasimula niyan ay tao. Hindi kung anong ahensya o institusyon ng tao ang nasa sa inyo. Diyos ang nagpasimula ng mabuting bagay. Walang pinasimula ng Diyos na hindi niya tinapos. Walang sinira ang tao na hindi niya kukumpunuhin at aayusin. Kung sinira ka man ng kasalanan, sino ka man sa umagang ito, sa dakong ito, whoever you are, what sin ruined, what sin broke, what sin destroyed in your life, listen to me. Jesus Christ can heal you. Jesus Christ can put you back together. Jesus Christ can strengthen you. Just put your trust in Jesus and He will prove that to you.